Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Uh, as usual, I am making a small self-help video regarding the replacement of a battery of the BMW 310 GS. Now, I had left my bike unattended for about 4 months. No one rode it, and it went into a state of deep discharge. And also, as my usual practice is to put a piece of rubber under the jiffy stand, that I forgot, and so I found my bike totally dead on my return. Charging did not help. I charged it to full capacity, but it did not hold enough charge so that it would crank the engine. All the other electronics and all worked fine, but the battery was too deeply damaged to be able to crank the engine. So I had no other option but to look for an alternative. Now, when I inquired in the dealer showroom or the workshop, the original battery fit, which is of the BMW brand, costs around 8,500. And hence, I was trying to look for a cheaper alternative, and I was very lucky to find it. A locally made battery, the OEM battery costs around 8,500 rupees, and the locally sourced battery of the same dimension and capacity of a well-known Indian brand, Amaron, cost only 1,500 bucks. That's a very good deal. I have dealt with all my cars have Amaron batteries, and I was lucky to find an Amaron battery for my baby Beamer. So I'll just show you the battery that is there, and unfortunately I had already completed the dismantle of my battery. So I will show you the video of how to put it back. So you'll just come to know how easy it is to get it replace the battery at home or by yourself. It is a 10-minute job precisely. So here goes. Now this is the Amaron APBTZ9R battery, which is a 8 ampere hour battery, 12 volts, of the same fit and dimensions of the original battery. This is the height, this is the width, and this is the top. So let me show you. I had already removed the batteries, segregated the negative wires and the positive wires of all my auxiliary lights and my charger and things like that. So let us see if this drops into place by itself. So here goes. I'll need some help to hold the camera. Never mind. Okay. I think I'll just halt the video here, put it back, and then put it in place. Voila. Neat, clean fit. Negative this side, positive this side, and now I shall assemble. This is the battery retainer of the cable. The cable, the harness sits here, which is held on by this cable tie, which I have renewed. So I shall be putting this back into place. Harness in place in their notches. So this battery is a perfect fit. Cable harness in place, cable ties secured, and the battery retainer also secured. No play, no foul. Now I shall do the rest of my connections, and the rest part I'll show you when I start the bike. Thank you. So now, as you can see, all the connections have been completed. Let me tell you about the modifications, few modifications that I have done. I have incorporated external charging jack, which my Harley compatible to my Harley charger, trickle charger. Plus I have added another cable for jump starting if required. And of course all my aux cables are all bundled up into one thimble. Similarly, all the other parts are also in one thimble. All tightened, everything in place, and everything is done. So let's give it a start. All okay, all good. Let's see. and it's alive. Thank God. I shall ride now this next coming ride. Thank you.